I like me better when I'm with you.
Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different prom hairstyles. Just a little disclaimer, I am sitting in my room filming this voiceover and my dad's birthday is today, so he has all of his friends over and they're all in the living room playing cards and they're literally being so loud. But they're having fun, so I don't want to interrupt them. So if you guys hear hooping and hollering in the background, then that's them. Just ignore it. But anyways, for this first hairstyle, I am doing something that I literally love doing when I don't feel like fixing my hair, but I'm going to an event. Whether it's like an event for a pageant or something, I don't know, I'm just supposed to look put together. I will do this little look right here, and it's super easy. I just take my teasing brush and put my hair behind my ears. And a lot of times I would straighten my hair for this look, but because I was curling my hair after this look, I didn't want to go ahead and like straighten it and mess up my hair before I curled it, if that makes sense. So yeah, just comb your hair behind your ears and you can straighten it if you want to. You can even curl your hair if you want to. But for this look, I just kept it natural. And then if you don't like your hair being behind both of your ears, put one side to the front. And it looks super cute, and I feel like this look is just super nice and elegant. Really simple, really easy, but still looks very put together. Alright, so for this next look, I just went ahead and parted my hair 2 ways, and I'm going to first curl the bottom half of my head. And I'm using a Hot Tools curling iron, and I'm doing the whole like beachy waves look for this because I know it's really in style. So I am just going to leave a little bit of hair outside the end of the clip. I do comb out the curls after I curl them. Just kind of go ahead and make them nice and wavy, and they will cool that way. So yeah, I just do that all around my head on that lower half. I do have a video on my main channel, and it's kind of me talking through how I curl my hair in a little bit more detail, so you guys can totally go check that out. A little bit of a self promo, and oh my gosh, this is so tiring. I had to get my coffee and just like take a sip for a second. My arms get so tired doing this, holy cow. So yeah, I kind of flip my head over, just kind of get all the curls nice and loose. I like looser curls, I don't really like tight curls. And then I learned that with my specific hair type, I don't know if this is everybody's hair, but personally for me, if I'm just kind of like messy with my hair, it turns out looking more how I wanted it. And right here I'm back combing my hair, so I'm just kind of like teasing it up, and that makes the hair look really nice and full. And I'm just using a normal little teasing brush to do this. So I just go all the way around my head, just back combing my hair and making it look super nice and fluffy. And then I'll also tease the top of my head. Guys, teasing takes literally so much practice. I have been doing my own hair and makeup for sophomore year, junior year, senior year, freshman year, about 4 or 5 years. And I mean, I'm just now getting down how to tease my own hair. It takes a lot of time to learn, but once you do get hang of it, your hair looks really nice and full and pretty. And I literally have no clue what I'm doing when I'm teasing the back of my hair. I'm just kind of guesstimating what I'm doing. So yeah. I honestly never really know what the back of my head looks like whenever I go outside of the house, and I just hope that it ends up looking perfectly fine. So yeah. Don't don't spray yourself in the eye. This is the Freeze It hairspray. It's my favorite hairspray. It holds really, really well. And yeah, I just spray the crap out of my hair. Boom. Enjoy these nice little poses. Alright, so for style number 3, I tried something a little different. So I'm going to go ahead and use the hair that I just curled. So for this hairstyle, you would have to go ahead and curl your hair. And I do recommend teasing the top of your hair because I feel like that really helped with my braid looking fuller. So you're just going to brush out that front part and just half it, or not half it, but take a section in the front. And then you're just going to start braiding your hair. And I honestly am the worst person to explain how to braid. There are so many good tutorials on YouTube, Instagram, what have you. Just go search it and you will definitely find somebody that's way more skilled and educated on braiding. But I basically just Dutch braided my hair back into like a ponytail. And this was honestly a lot easier than I thought. This was my first try and it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it, but I still thought that it was really cute and it ended up being my favorite hairstyle out of the 3. So yeah, I feel like this would be really cute if you were maybe wearing like a super cute like pattern dress, or I don't know, a dress that's like really nice and sleek and simple. And I don't know, I feel like your hair would almost kind of be like an accessory. I was literally so tired. Oh my gosh, my arms. So once I got done braiding that, I just took a ponytail holder and I secured it off. And I would have used an elastic band, but I was too lazy to go to my bathroom and get one. So I just ended up using a normal ponytail holder and it worked perfectly fine. And then I just went ahead and took that braid and I kind of pancaked it. So you just pull on those little ends and make it super cute. I'm really bad at explaining things, I'm sorry. And then I just backcombed that ponytail, and then I also did a little bit to the sides of my head as well. Alright guys, and that is the very last look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know if you guys try out these looks for prom, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you.